Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have just purchased an ultra mobile eSIM, this video is for you because in today's video you are going to learn exactly how you can activate it and start using the service in just a few simple steps. So after purchasing the ultra mobile eSIM, you are going to receive a QR code via email. So when you have that, you just have to simply just follow further instructions in order to basically scan the QR code. For that, you just have to open your iPhone's settings, and inside the settings simply go to the cellular option. Inside the cellular option you will be shown this type of add eSIM option. So when you tap on it, you just have to then select the option of QR code. Now the QR code that you are going to receive via the email, you just have to do nothing but to just simply scan it, and then you just have to follow further simple on-screen instructions in order to basically install the eSIM profile. After the installation is completed successfully, you can turn on the ultra mobile eSIM, and then you can set it as preferred line for your mobile data. Then you can also wait for a few more minutes while your phone connects to the network automatically. If the network doesn't appear right away, you can make sure that you restart your phone as well, and make sure that the ultra mobile eSIM is enabled in your cellular settings. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.